Hey guys, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I will be sharing my outdoor space for summer. But first, we're going to take a quick trip to Pottery Barn for some inspiration, and then we'll come back here to do a little cleaning and decorating. Now, if you're interested, I will be sharing a nighttime view at the end. So I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy the tour, and then meet me back here next week for more tours. I will be sharing model homes, store tours, as well as my own home. Hey y'all, so today I am starting to prepare my deck to get it ready for the season. Now I know that I have been out here using the deck already, but there were some items that I just really wanted to take care of that I had not taken care of prior. So I was halfway ready, but not totally 100% ready. I still had some planting that I needed to do, and so we did plant some flowers in the large urn here on the deck, but then we had this area down here at the bottom of the deck needed some attention, and so I have to take care of that. If you're looking way out there, there's a little tabletop that I need to paint, and that goes here on top of the fire pit when the fire pit is not in use. And then I have to bring my pillows out for these chairs and just clean off this table over here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this table. It's kind of seen better days, but my husband said he can repair it, so we'll see what happens in the end. And so I'm cleaning out some of my deck boxes, and you can see over here that I've already started to empty the smaller one out and just toss out things that we are just not using and that are taking up space. So I have 2 bags already of trash that I pulled out of there, and then some of this other stuff is just pillows and I think grill covers, old grill covers. And so I'm just going to tidy up the deck and just get it 100% ready. And so this is the lounge area, and so I'm just going to place some pillows on the sofa. I do need to wipe the sofa down. I typically wipe it down at least once a week because it is white, so it gets a little dirty, but it is a stain resistant fabric, and so it's easy to keep clean with just wiping it down. And I have my curtains. We already put the curtains up, and like I said, we have been enjoying the deck, but there's just a few things that I want to do to complete the look. I need to clean up some things in the yard and just trim some of the bushes, and then we'll be good to go. At that point, it'll probably be too hot to come out here and sit. Okay, so I have moved some things out of the way, and now I am at the point where I can sweep down the deck and then wash down the furniture. As you can see, I did move the large table off the back wall, and so I have to figure out what I'm going to do in that space. Okay, everyone, it rained last night, and so things need to be wiped down, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the deck all ready and share the reveal. Okay guys, so the things that I will be decorating with today are things that I already own. Except for the tumblers that I picked up from Pottery Barn, and then this water container that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now, if you are new here, you may be asking yourself, why does she have a throw on her sofa in the hot summertime? Well, that is because my sofa is white, and when people rest their feet on the lounger, I want them to have something to rest their feet on other than my white sofa. And the same goes for the ottoman.
keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind?